Hey guys, Adam Modell here with Wildwood, and today we're going to be going through the brand new 2023 Wildwood 33TS. Let's check it out. Welcome inside to the brand new 33TS by Wildwood. First, I want to point out the fact that this model here has what we call the Versa Lounge. Now, what's the Versa Lounge? The Versa Lounge is the ultimate RV versatility in furniture. Simply because not only do you get a full-length sofa as of now, okay? Look at this, 6 foot tall. I'm just chilling, breezing the heat. Got plenty of room, I can watch TV, I can enjoy everything in the camper if I want. Now, let's say we want to switch it up. A lot of times, you can't do anything about it. This model, you can. So you're gonna remove this cushion there. You're gonna take this back, simply bring it up. We flip it around, just like this. Boom. Now, you have a separate, smaller sofa, and look at this, a full dinette for you and your family to enjoy a nice home-cooked meal. Now this is camping. Not only do you get the Versa Lounge, but you're also going to get storage below. Now what do you mean by that? What I mean by that is, you'll see a storage compartment right here. We're gonna bring that down, and you are going to get stow and go storage bins. There's going to be 5 of them, 3 below the sofa, and 1 on each side of the dinette. Now that is storage. Now this is where the 33TS really shines. First, I want to bring your eyes over to this side. Okay, you're going to notice that there is a chalkboard up top. This is also a bunk bed. The bunk will fold down. You can sleep a child or an adult up there, no problem. Okay, below, we're going to have a queen bed. Now again, this is a full queen bed. So you get 2 queens, 1 up front, and then this one right here. Cushions come off, and it's really simple. All this does is just fold down, and literally it folds over, and it's a bed, and you're done. That fast. Bring it up, it's the same way. Kids can even do it. I mean, it's so simple and fast, so it makes them want to actually use it, right? Cushions back when you're done. I mean, literally, it is that simple. That's real time, okay? I'm gonna bring your attention over to this side. What you're looking at here is a custom designed tri-level storage area. Now, what do I mean by that? There are 3 different levels, and inside of each of these compartments, okay, there is 9 of these. 9 stow and go storage bins that are built into the tri-level Versa storage. Look at that. Trust me, your kids will be able to create something to put in there, I promise you, okay? Last but not least, we're gonna have another bunk over top. So not only do you have a bunk bed here, tri-level storage there, and you're gonna have a full queen bed there and another bunk there. So this back bedroom literally is versatility in its entirety. All right, as we make our way to the middle of the 33TS, first I want to point out the fact that this thing has a ton of storage. Again, you never get enough storage when you're camping. So this model here, you're gonna have a storage bin up top and storage below. So you get full storage there with nice doors on the front. Bring your attention across to the bathroom. The bathroom is nice because this bathroom here has one of the biggest showers around. It's a full neo-angle shower. I can stand up all the way, I'm 6 foot. I have plenty of room to move around. The bathroom is extremely open, it's versatile, and there's a lot of storage in there as well. Again, this is the bathroom of the 33TS. Moving into the kitchen, okay, let's talk about this. This is the Everchill 10 cubic foot glass front metallic refrigerator. Brand new for this year. This thing is amazing. Not only does it look good, but it functions extremely well, okay? And you're gonna get the freezer up top, which is nice. Ooh, look at that. See that come out? Make our way over to the area in the kitchen. First, I wanna point out the fact that the window in the kitchen is one of our claim to fames. The window in this kitchen, we call it a full panoramic window. The reason why that is because if mom or dad or whoever's cooking or cleaning, they can still look out and kind of feel like they're part of the camping experience, okay? Because it's on the camping side. They don't feel left out because they're doing all the work. That would be a bad thing. So there's plenty of room on this full panoramic window inside the kitchen. Nice oven, microwave, hood vent. You got plenty of storage again up top, okay? These are full doors with nice frosted glass, okay? We're gonna bring your attention below to our Active Suzy. What the Active Suzy is, it's gonna give you the aesthetic of one door. However, inside of this, we're gonna have full 3 drawers that actually pull all the way out. This actually increases the storage 33% over what we used to do, based upon the system before. Put them back in, bring it shut, bada bing, bada boom. Beautiful. Nice faucet, 2 sinks. You get this nice little dry rack, if you want to call it that. Bring that back. And this is the kitchen in the 33TS. Now, all the fun doesn't stop where we were. Okay, I'm gonna bring your attention over to the entertainment center, which is the key of fun. First off, what I want to point out is that we have this custom-built entertainment center style. You're gonna have the countertop on top. You're gonna have plenty of room here for a big screen TV, up to a 45-inch, I believe. You'll have a nice area there for your cords to go through. Beautiful Bluetooth speaker, and new for this year is going to be our mirror front fireplace. The beauty of that is it gives you that aesthetic of that like high-end hotel look, and it's gonna actually put off heat. So not only is it functional, but look at that, it just looks beautiful, okay? You're gonna have storage on both sides and storage in the middle if you want. But this overall gives it that nice, complete residential entertainment center look for you and your family to enjoy while you're camping. All right, now that we're in the bedroom, the first thing I want to point out is the fact that for this year, we have increased our bed size. That's right, I'll say it again, we increased our bed size to a full king bed. This is 66 by 78, and not only is it a bigger size, but you actually have more room to walk around. Reason being is we've neo-angled these corners, okay? So the bed's actually bigger, but you get more room to walk around it. I mean, that's the best of both worlds, okay? So now we offer the king bed. You still will have flip up below. You're gonna have plenty of storage below. You will have the 4 stow and go bins. So not only do you have 9 in the other room, but you have 4 more here. It's a lot of bins, 13 overall, okay? Gonna come around to the closet. This is probably the biggest closet of any model that we have. This is a full wardrobe closet with pretty cool doors too. These are like our barnyard style door. Give it a very cool, clean aesthetic look. And on the inside, I mean, you can literally, that's enough room for the entire family if you wanted to, period, okay? And if that wasn't enough, not only do we have a full walk-in closet, literally. Now, the reason why is because if you don't want to have the closet, you can actually use this for a washer and dryer. Okay, this model here is actually prepped for washer and dryer, but if you don't want that, keep it the way it is. More storage, no one ever complains about more storage, trust me. So that there is the bedroom of the all-new 33TS. Now on the outside of the 33TS, I want to bring your attention to one of the biggest things this unit has is going to be the outside kitchen. Now, I mean, it actually can be called a lot more than that because I mean, look at the size of this thing. There is so much room for so many activities and so many things that you can do. Metal top, okay, so it's easy to clean. You do have your sink here, plenty of storage. Again, with more storage bins, versatility at its finest, okay? More storage over the top with a removable net if you'd like. Okay, you are going to have a refrigerator. This is nice, okay? And not to mention the fact that we have an outside grill already around here, ready to go. I mean, literally the only thing missing is gonna be Dad's apron saying he's the #1 dad, cooking and grilling up, making the family happy. But that's what you want when you're camping, is to make the family happy, and you can do that with this beautiful outside entertainment center. I want to draw your eye and attention to the wheel well. What you're looking at here is brand new on the 23 model. This is going to be our fiberglass reinforced plastic custom wheel well. It's actually designed not only to protect the aluminum during travel, but also it gives it a very nice utility aesthetic from the outside. So it's got the plus, utility, design, and function. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to the brand new 2023 Wildwood 33TS walkthrough. We appreciate it, and if you want any more information about floor plans or anything else, go to our website, www.forestoverinc.com/Wildwood. Thanks again, guys.